Looking for a condo minutes to downtown Lake Orion District or to Expressway? Look no further. This 1,644 square foot in-unit condo has 2 bedrooms, 2.1 baths, loft, attached 2-car garage and unfinished basement. The condo recently was freshly painted, and all new carpet installed. Vaulted living room with fireplace, door wall from the dining room to the outdoor patio, FF laundry, row system, 2-bedroom suites up with walk-in closets and an amazing loft for office/workout room or playroom will definitely check all the boxes. Small community, low HOA, does not get any better. Lake Orion Schools, pictures do not lie. Welcome home.